Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how tell you guys about how you can install Windows 11 in unsupported devices. So I cannot show you the whole process in screen recording, but I will share article with you guys because I found this option, this article's solution to be the best solution to install Windows 11 or unsupported devices. So I personally have tried this method and install Windows 11 on my PC, as you can see. So I cannot show you the process because I already have installed it, but this process is quite simple, and I'm gonna explain to you guys how you can easily install on unsupported devices. So for that, first you have to I'm gonna show you from this site, and this guy wrote the article quite good and he explained it in a very easy manner. So for installing on unsupported devices, you have to boot your pen drive, bootable pen drive. If you don't know how to make a bootable pen drive of Windows 11, you can browse our channel for that video. I have showed how you can make a bootable pen drive with Windows 11 in it. So you have to start the installation process from BIOS, and I hope you know that you have to insert your pen drive to your PC and that then turn on the computer and go to the setup menu wizard. So as you can see in here, after going into setup wizard, all you have to do is click on shift and press shift and F10 on your keyboard. So this will bring this option the command prompt in the setup menu, and from there you have to type this regedit, and after typing that you have to press enter, and that will open the registry editor in the setup menu. So from there you have to look at this path, look closely, HK local machine system setup. So here, as you can see in the pictures as well, let me zoom it for you guys. So here you can see this guy has gone to HK local machine system and then setup. In this setup folder you have to add a new key, and you have to name the key lab config and press enter there, and from there you have to right click on that and select new, and dword 32-bit value option, you have to select that, and you have to name the key bypass tpm check. So you have to be careful with the spelling and click on enter. So and the value will be 1, not 0, and it will be hexadecimal, and you have to click on OK. Then you have to add another 32-bit value option and rename that to bypass secure boot check, and that value will be also 1, as you can see in the picture. Bypass secure boot check, and the value is 1 hexadecimal, and you have to click OK. Then you have to just complete the installation of Windows in the setup menu. After pressing OK, you can close all of this, and here then you have to just next do it and go with the setup, and you have to just finish the setup. And I will suggest you to use this. I don't have a product key always, this person has also said it, and I will also suggest you guys to always do this and activate the Windows later in in your when the setup is complete and you got the access to your Windows. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you a lot, and if you want more contents like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.